You got your bed. You got her bed. Cuckoo. Hey Nia. What you doing? He was just a little baby a few months ago when we were here. So this is my view. Chilling out on the balcony. This is one of my favorite parts. Look. Right now it feels amazing outside. You can't see Fuji today. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna be at. I'm gonna be on the track. Hopefully Asia can get some footage of me driving down this straight. So we'll see. You know, let's see how it goes. But yeah, man, we just ordered room service because we didn't have a reservation for the restaurant. That was my fault. I should've. You gotta make reservations for everything in this hotel, and you gotta do it at least a day ahead if you want to get in. So, I mean, it is what it is. But the food should be here soon. We got steak, we got pizza, we got fries, oniginis, orange juice. So it's gonna be a nice little night inside the hotel. So yeah. Jojo, do you know what today is? No. Oh, okay. See, I don't even want to talk about it. Bye. But yeah, nice room, man. Nice room. Alright, so me and Jojo are finna go to Fuji Speedway right now so we can go drive on the track. He's gonna be riding with me. Since we can't pass anybody, your family members are allowed to sit in the car. Whatever the car capacity is, that's how many people you can have in a car. But today, it's just me and Jojo. Asia's upstairs with Nia. Hopefully, they can get me coming down the straight. But yeah, so we're finna head out there now and see how it is. I have this camera mount that I'm trying to mount to my dashboard, but I feel like this DJI may be a little too long. But I'm gonna see if I can get some good footage. If not, oh well, I'm gonna try to hold it with my hand and get it. But we'll see how it goes. You ready? You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right. It is 12:02, and we're going on the racetrack right now. You see it? Ooh. Thank you for letting me come to Fuji Speedway Hotel and driving the car on Fuji. You're the best. Thank you for letting me be a nerd. Ooh, you sweaty.
I know.
that should be the end of the video. Peace. Okay, so I didn't have anything to set this on, so I know it looked kind of ghetto. Hold on, let's see. All right, this is my kid pool. Excuse it. It's wet. I didn't want to set it down on the ground, but as you can see, size-wise too, get those closer together. It adds a little depth to it as well. So, this one, I would say these two pieces are about the same size, but this little piece right here, this second piece that's added on, definitely makes it look a lot better. A lot lighter already. Looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and get this onto the car. So I went to read the instructions again just to be sure, and yes, pretty much the same. The factory wing came with 2 washers, and then with the kit itself it gave me 6, so I kind of just wanted to be sure. So factory washer, the one that came with the secret wing. So I got plenty of washers, I guess. So we'll see, what works best.